Hello guys, this is Ijeomaibeofficial. Today is my birthday, so I went to Shoprite to get some cupcakes for the birthday. So I went into the Shoprite. They have so many beautiful cakes to select. So I have to pick up the cupcake. Also, my kids they don't like regular cake, so I have to buy a cupcake for them. So it's them that will eat the cake, not me. So I buy a cupcake for them. They have so many beautiful cake. So beautiful. Can I get the cupcake one? This one? The, this one, yeah. Yeah. So I have to select the pink one. So I paid, then I am out for the preparation. Alright, they just dance it a little bit before the party begins. Ready for the party, for the birthday. This is chicken, barbecue chicken. This is pizza. This is donuts. And this is the cake. This is cupcake. My kids, they don't like a regular cake. They want cupcake. That's why I got this one. This is some drink. Alright, as soon as they come back, we're gonna get the party started. Alright, everything is set. As you can see, it's all set. As soon as the kids come back, we're gonna get the party started. Woo! Alright, we are getting ready to get the party started. Alright, let me open my wine. How do you open this wine? Alright, just trying to open my wine, but this wine got me disappointed. My wine opener, I don't have a wine opener, so I wanted to drink this wine like crazy, but I couldn't open it. So I was so disappointed of this wine.
Can you make a wish?
A wish?
Yeah.
Okay, let me make a wish. You know it's secret. Let me make my wish. So this is me making a wish before cutting my cake. Right, so time to cut the cake. How do we cut it?
By the spell of love.
By the spell of love?
Yeah.
Okay, can you start spelling?
Okay. L-O-V-E.
Happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday
to me. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to me. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! Alright, you can start eating the cake now. Alright, we are done cutting the cake, so everyone has to eat as much as you can. So after that, today, my kids have surprise for me, very big surprise. They gave me some presents, very big present.
I might eat mine later.
I wasn't even expecting that. Get one more pizza for Michael.
Okay, after.
Get one more pizza for Michael. Michael, one more pizza.
Coming right up. Okay, let me make. Oh!
Everyone is eating. I'm full, satisfied. It was so awesome. So grateful, thankful for life, for love, for peace of mind, more grace. So time to give the present for mom. So I'm waiting for them to give me the present they have for me.
This is Daddy's.
Oh, Daddy gave this one for me. So then I got this one. This is Daddy's present. Let's open it. my favorite. Look at that.
What is that?
That's a perfume. That's a Coach. Oh my goodness. My favorite perfume. My favorite. Ooh, look at that. It's so cute. So what do you have for me?
Okay, I'm gonna get it.
What do you have for me?
So this perf, I love this perf so much. The name is Coach. So I love it so much. So smell good. My favorite perfume. You can see I just spray a little on my body. Smells so good.
Okay.
Here comes my daughter bringing her present.
Hmm?
It's a scarf.
This is your gift?
Yeah, it's a
She made me a
scarf.
scarf. That was a scarf.
Wow.
Yeah.
So nice.
Okay, that's nice. That is nice.
And then this is mine.
Here comes Dane
Your gift?
bringing her present
Oh,
inside the
let's
envelope.
open it and see what is inside. Wow, that is cute. Look at what Danny wrote. Happy birthday, Mom. That's nice. Can I have it up? Look at that. I even draw some pictures. Look at that. Even draw some pictures. Who is this one?
He made a picture of family.
Me.
Everyone is inside
And
this
this is
picture. It was so
Cheesy.
cute, so nice.
Michael.
That's me.
You.
Daddy.
And this is Michael.
Yeah.
Michael is a baby. Look at that. He said this is me. And this is Daddy. This is Cheesy. And this is
Alright guys, we watched all the way to this time. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you guys on my next video.
Years old.
Okay. Alright, that's nice.
Bye.